Hey Puzzler, welcome to the Payazi channel. After a long time, we have come up with a very easy Jenga structure called casita, a small house made of wood blocks. Casita is a Spanish word for a small house. Our balls are falling on the house. Let's start building our house. Ready, steady, po! You will need 50 blocks of Jenga to build this small wooden house. We will first start with the base of 6 blocks. This is our first layer. Now let's build the second layer with the 6 block. Make sure you don't keep any spaces in between the blocks. Okay, there are some spaces and we have to adjust it properly. Okay, the second layer is now completed. Let's make the third layer. If you like my content, please subscribe and show your support with super thanks. Now we will place one more layer of 6 blocks on this. This will be our final layer, and then we will put the stepper. Now 4 blocks, now the 3 blocks, then 2 and then 1. Finally our casita is ready with Jenga blocks. Please show your support using super thanks.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Payazi channel. Bye bye.